Hi, welcome back to Graphics Mirror with a new graphics video. Today, we are going to add 3D effect on a text. So let's start. Create a page of this size. Add this color in background with the help of color code. Select Type tool and type text of your own choice. Adjust it in the mid of page. Smart object. Add drop shadow to it with these dimensions. Now press Ctrl or L plus J multiple times. Shift and select the top and bottom layer. Create a group of it. Here is our 3D design base ready. Subscribe to Graphics Mirror for more lovely graphics. And thanks for watching.